How was your day at work, honey?
Busy but good. How about yours?
Same here. I am glad we're both home now.
Me too. I missed you and the kids.
What should we do this weekend?
The kids want to go to the beach.
That sounds perfect. The weather will be nice.
Should we pack a picnic lunch?
Great idea. I will help you prepare everything.
You make the best sandwiches.
And you make amazing fruit salad.
We make a good team, don't we?
The best team. Should we invite my parents?
Your mom would love that.
I will call them tonight after dinner.
The kids will be so excited.
Tommy loves building sandcastles with Grandpa.
And Sarah loves collecting seashells.
We should bring the beach umbrella.
And don't forget the sunscreen.
I will check the car tonight.
I will prepare the beach bag tomorrow.
This will be a wonderful family day.
I love our weekends together. Good morning, sweetheart. Coffee is ready.
Thank you. You are so thoughtful.
Did you sleep well last night?
Like a baby. How about you?
I heard you checking on the kids.
Sarah had a small cough, but she is fine.
You are such a caring father.
And you are an amazing mother.
What time is your meeting today?
10 o'clock. It should be quick.
I will pick up groceries while you are out.
Can you get milk and bread?
Of course. Anything else we need?
Maybe some apples for the kids' lunch.
I will make their favorite sandwiches.
They love your peanut butter and jelly.
Should we have dinner at home tonight?
Yes, I want to try that new recipe.
The chicken one from your sister?
Exactly. She said it is delicious.
I will stop by the market for ingredients.
We make such a great partnership.
In everything we do. I love you.
I love you too. Have a great day.
See you this evening, darling.
Can't wait to hear about your day. The kids are finally asleep.
What a wonderful day we had.
Sarah loved her swimming lesson today.
And Tommy was so proud of his drawing.
They're growing up so fast.
Sometimes I wish time would slow down.
But I am excited to see who they become.
They have so much potential.
Sarah wants to be a teacher like you.
And Tommy loves building things like you.
We are raising amazing children together.
I could not do this without you.
You are the heart of our family.
And you are our strength and protection.
Do you ever think about the future?
All the time. What do you dream about?
Maybe a bigger house with a garden.
The kids would love a backyard.
We could plant flowers and vegetables.
And maybe get that dog they want.
A golden retriever would be perfect.
Let us start saving for our dream house.
Together we can achieve anything.
I am so grateful for our life.
Me too. I fall in love with you more each day.
Sweet dreams, my wonderful husband.
Sweet dreams, my beautiful wife.
I love you to the moon and back.